it's me, Froggy Plays, and today I'm teaching you guys all the meanings and how does it work of the look blocks in Scratch. So, let's get into the video. First, you go to looks. Then, number 1, say hello for 2 seconds. And say hello. These 2 blocks create a speech bubble for a sprite. The first one, you can say it or make the sprite say it for how many seconds? Maybe 10 seconds. But this one, only maybe forever. So, next. Stop. Think and think. So, think these blocks work exactly the same as the speech blocks, these 2. But to create thought bubbles instead of speech bubbles. So, it's like this. But when it's this, it's like that. Thought. It's like this. It's the same. Okay, so next. It's show and hide. Wait, no. Not show and hide. Yeah, show and hide first. Because it's easier to understand first. Show and hide. So, these blocks can be used to reveal or hide a sprite on the stage. This is the stage. So when I click it, it will hide this one, this, show. Boom, that easy. It's that easy. Okay, so next is switch costume and next costume. So switch costume is for changing costumes. There's 1 costume, 2 costumes. So that's for switch costumes. Next costume is for next costume. So there's the costumes of the sprite are always over here. So you can draw whatever you want. So for example, I duplicate this one. Then when I press, okay. So then I use this to make, and then change the color, black, to make a mustachio. There. So now, when you put forever in the next costume, with the next costume, it will do like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm just gonna put a 1 second here. 0.5. So, boom. Like that. Okay. So next, it's switch backdrop. This one and next backdrop. It works the same as switch costumes, but this block allows the programmer to change the scene in the middle of a program. The scene is just like a stage. So I only have 1 backdrop, but if you have 2 backdrop, yeah, I just like the costume before I made. Okay. So next, change brightness effect by 10. Where's brightness effect? Wait. Where's brightness effects? Wait, did they remove brightness effects? Yeah, they removed brightness effect. Yeah, they removed brightness effect. So now it's clear graphic effects. It will return your sprite to their original appearance. For example, do that, and when I click it, it will go to the original appearance like this. So for example, it turns to bubbles with a code. When I click this, it will return to normal. It's that easy. Okay, so next, change size by 10. So this will change the size by 10. It will make it bigger. But when you put it -10, to make it smaller. Sorry for noisy, guys. Okay, next. Set size to 100%. So when you put it to 200, so this is 110%. So when I put it to 200, this will happen. So this block allows the programmer to set the size of the sprite. So next is go to front. Yeah, this is a go to front layer. If I'm not mistaken, yeah. So go to front layer is right here. Go to back layer is same. Okay, so when the programming with multiple sprite, this block are used to position the sprite within a layer. So we need 2 sprites to use this block. So now go forward 1 layer. You also need, let me check. Yeah, you need 2 blocks, that means 2 sprites. This block is used to move the sprite by layers. Now, change color effect by 25 is to change the color effect by 25. So when you put it to 100, it will change the color effect like this, super fast. But when you put it to like 25, it will turn like light blue first, like that. Okay, next is set color effect to 0. It will affect to normal. But when you set it to 25, it will be green. You can see like in Google color numbers thingy doohickey, I don't know what do you call it. Now it's, yeah, that's all. Now this one. So these round-ended blocks enable the costume or backdrop or size to be used as variables and inserted into blocks which have round spaces. So the sprite costume, this is sprite number 3, backdrop number 1, and the size is 200. So that's all about looks, block, and the meaning and how to use it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out and goodbye.